Hi everyone. Today I am going to review my working magnifying glass with LED lighting, which I got from Tchibo during my last Dubai visit. The packaging looks so perfect, no less expected from Tchibo. And see, this is an aid for handicraft sewing and needlework. I got this for a fair price of 39 dirhams. Now let us unbox this. I have already unboxed this one. See the packaging. It comes with a protective sleeve. It has a flexible gooseneck arm. It enables us to position the lens at an optimum angle. And you can set up the glass as it is, or you can clip it on any surface. You can clip it on your working table, anywhere you can clip it very easily. And see the rubberized clamp. It will not leave any marks behind. See the clamp. Okay, I will show you in detail. And this is the clamp. Both the sides are rubberized, so you can fix it on any surface. So this is where the batteries are installed in for the LED light, and we can see there are some grips also on the base. The arm has a very nice metallic finish and it is very flexible also. We can move it in any direction. And see, this is a major part, that is a magnifying glass. And the power of this glass is 2.5, and this integrated lens, that is the small lens which we can see as a small circle, that has 1 of 5. Two bright LEDs illuminate the area you need to see. See, I will switch on it. It will give you enough lighting on the working area. See, we can see very clearly there. Okay, now let me show you how useful this while working on a project. This is the project I am currently working on, and you can see the stitches very clearly. See, I will show you the power of these LED lights. I have switched off all my other lights. Now the only light you can see is from the LED lights. So enough lighting we are getting. And look at the difference between the two lenses also. I think you can see the difference very clearly. This is that integrated lens also giving a clear vision. So this one makes my work a lot easier. It reduces the strain in my eyes while working on some detailed projects like this. See the differences. See that two leaves differences, I think you can see now. So we will get a clear idea that where the needle should go, where the needle should come. Okay. So this one is very useful for me. Thank you for watching.